Let's talk about corporations going green. But are they really?
Lots of big companies are selling off their polluting factories. On the surface, that sounds great, right?
And yeah, this trend has totally exploded recently. But this is where the story gets interesting.
Okay, first clue, the sellers. Why are these companies selling in the first place? Well, they're under a ton of pressure from investors, regulators, pretty much everyone.
All that pressure, it makes a company 54% more likely to sell off a polluting plant.
And of course, they're ditching their dirtiest assets first. It's all about cleaning up their image. Which brings us to our second clue, the buyers. So who's picking up these unwanted factories? They're sold to totally different owners. Think private firms that pretty much fly under the radar. So the assets move from the public spotlight right into the shadows. The pollution just moved house. All right, clue number 3, the big one. Does the pollution actually stop after the sale? Well, researchers tracked these plants. And, spoiler alert, the pollution doesn't go down. Not one bit.
So the pollution doesn't vanish, it just gets a new owner and a new address.
Okay, so if pollution isn't going down, why do it? Let's follow the money. For starters, the seller's ESG rating, their green score, jumps by a whopping 103% on average. They also become up to 7% less likely to get in trouble with environmental regulators.
And you guessed it, their stock gets a nice little bump. We're talking up to 4% higher returns.
All while they're on investor calls talking up their new commitment to sustainability. So what we're seeing is basically a corporate shell game. It looks great, but nothing actually changes. And this whole thing has a name. It's called greenwashing. All style, no substance. The bottom line is just selling off your pollution isn't the same as actually solving it. So that leaves us with this question. If the market rewards looking green, how do we push for being green?